The Deputy Commandant of the KAIPTC was speaking at the third edition of the Stakeholder Dialogue Series themed Enhancing Civic and Institution Building for Sustainable Africa. About 17 countries, including Ghana, have general elections slated for this year. For the recent political tensions recorded in some African countries, the coming elections are deemed key to the development of the continent. Air Commodore David Akrong has been explaining the role of good governance and active citizen participation in ensuring peaceful elections.
While the AU Agenda 2063 provides a myriad of opportunities for economic transformation and growth, the continent continues to be threatened with bad governance, violent extremism, terrorism, cyber attacks, political upheavals resulting in the surge of coup d'etats in the last 3 years. The relationship between the country's security situation and this institution is intricate and multifaceted. Strong and effective institutions are essential for ensuring national security and upholding the rule of law, promoting accountability, resolving conflicts, and supporting economic development. By investing in resilient institutions and promoting good governance, countries can enhance their capacity, security architecture, and contribute to sustainable peace and development.
Recent youth uprising in Kenya has raised concerns on the quality of governance and democracy in Africa. Program Executive at the Research Governance of Human Rights at the African Union, Justice Oman, speaks about the need for the citizens' participation in building good governance.
Indeed, this is the time to speak, and this is the time for African citizens to engage constructively in the governance process to build strong, resilient institutions. Strong and independent institutions that promote trust, enhance the rule of law, entrench democratic principles and values, and most importantly, protect the fundamental human rights of every African citizen.
The All-African Conference of Churches, Government of Norway, and German Development Corporation sponsored series served as a platform for relevant stakeholders to deliberate on issues that will ensure free and fair electoral processes devoid of violence. For Joy News, Nana Yauchima, Kumasi.